Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the sum of a Fibonacci sequence. First, understand that the Fibonacci sequence begins with 0 and 1, with each subsequent number being the sum of the two before it. We'll explore a straightforward formula that allows you to quickly calculate the total sum of the first n numbers in this sequence. This approach is much more efficient than manually adding each term, especially for longer sequences. Let's dive into the details. The key to summing a Fibonacci sequence lies in a simple formula. The sum of the first n Fibonacci numbers is equal to the Fibonacci number at position n plus 2, minus 1. So, if you want to sum the first 5 numbers, you would find the 7th Fibonacci number and then subtract 1 from it. This powerful identity streamlines the process, making complex calculations much easier to manage. It's a truly elegant mathematical shortcut. To apply this formula, first determine n, which is the count of Fibonacci numbers you wish to sum. Next, you need to find the Fibonacci number located at the n plus 2 position in the sequence. Remember, the sequence starts 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Once you have that specific Fibonacci number, simply subtract 1 from it. This final result is the exact sum of your chosen n Fibonacci numbers, making the process very straightforward. Let's walk through an example. If you want to sum the first 6 Fibonacci numbers, which are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 5, you would look for the 8th Fibonacci number. That number is 13. Subtracting 1 from 13 gives you 12, which is the correct sum. This formula works perfectly every time. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you with your Fibonacci calculations.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.